train. Big ring. I just heard a train coming through. Should be here by any moment. Dad, can I go over to the crossing? There, I can see a light now. There. 3, 2, 1. Dad. Don't focus on videos.
I'm talking to your mother.
Record it for Mom.
No, thank you. It's alright, buddy. You got it.
Show Mom.
She'll see it on yours. It's alright.
That's a raised letter, I'm pretty sure.
I was talking to her about how you talk to me.
A raised letter K5HL. Okay, no. Oh, it's slow. That's speeding. Yeah, that's definitely a raised letter K5HL, no joke. Random horn. Why is that engine so loud? That's the best horn show! Went like... That was sick! That's the coolest horn show I ever gotten! It literally went like... Literally, it was so cool! For Father's Day train horn. Should have brought my tripod. Happy Father's Day, DPU! DPU! Dad, you're missing the whole entire thing. Holy shit!
I hope you don't post that.
I have to.
You might want to edit that out, Lance. That was not nice.
That was sick, but Father's Day train horn. Show. The horn show. I love that horn show. That's the neatest horn show that I ever got.